Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing a review on this palette right here. This is the new highlighter palette by Persico. I want to swatch it and just show you how it actually applies and talk to you a little bit more about the palette. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright, so now let's talk a little bit about the palette. This is from Persico Cosmetics, and the palette itself is called Brighten Me Baby. So the little card says, get ready to brighten your finest features. The palette launched today, which is June 14th. I really was not planning on doing this video at all, but it was actually requested, and I like to, especially if I have the palette or something that is already in my hands, why not? You know, if you request something, I will try my best to go ahead and accommodate a video on it. So here we are. So the palette retails for $38, and you can purchase it on their website, which is alexapersicocosmetics.com. I will link all the information down in the description area just in case you are interested in picking up this palette. So let me go ahead and just read this information to you just so you can know a little bit more about the palette.
So over 2 years in the making, it's finally here, beauties. We are so excited to launch our highly anticipated highlighter palette. Brighten Me Baby, this 3-highlight definition powder has been formulated to brighten and awake the high points of your face for a soft summer glow and enhance skin in any type of light, including flash photography. This palette is suitable for all skin tones and ultra versatile. Layer them together to brighten cheekbones or apply on your eyelids and brow bones. Amplify your natural radiance and create a custom glow that will keep you wanting more.
So yes, as you can see, this palette is super versatile, and you can use it on your eyelid. You can, you know, mix them together. So let me go ahead and just show you. So this is what the palette looks like right here. So the first thing that I'm going to do before swatching it on my arms is just apply it to my face. So I did use this color in my last video, but I'm going to be using these two colors right here just so you can see the pigmentation. This one I'll probably just put it on my shoulders since it's a little bit more on the bronzy side. I did swatch them. They feel really soft. So here are the swatches on my fingers, and that's just me touching them, just like barely touching them. So I'm going to go into Work It Girl, which is the middle shade right here. It does have a kickback. It's not like the Amrezy highlighter, and the texture of it is really dense. There's no fallout whatsoever. There is no powderiness to it. So this one, as you can see, it does have a little kickback, but that's okay. So I'm just going to apply them right here. So a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, that glow immediately. So I'm just going to connect it to my brow bone. So I'm going to do like the C shape. I mean, that glow is intense. It's super nice. I appreciate the glow. So on the highest point of my cheeks, I'm just going to use this one right here. This one is called Golden Ticket. I mean, did you see that? Going to also use that on the tip of my nose. So this does have a lot of pigment. So make sure that you are just getting rid of any excess powder before you apply to your face, because they are very intense. So I'm going back with Work It Girl and just putting a little bit on right above my brow bone, just a little bit. I'm going to use the bronze shade. This one is called Bronze Goddess, and I can totally see myself using this one for right here for my shoulders, definitely, and for my eyes, like on my eyelid. So now I'm going to be using Work It in Bronze Goddess just to apply it on my collarbone. On my décolleté. So just to melt everything together, I'm just going to spray some Fix Plus. And with my beauty blender, I'm just going to melt it into my skin. So I'm sorry for not slipping in, but don't worry. Alright, so while that's drying, I'm going to show you the swatches, and the swatches I have them right here. So the first one is Golden Ticket. The second one is Work It Girl. and the other one is Bronze Goddess, which is the last one right here. Just a little bit about the packaging. It is cardboard and it does have a little mirror inside. So yes, it's not too bulky, and it comes with a little sleeve right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back with you. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Lasting Sensation Lip Liner. For lips, I'm going to be using this lipstick by MAC, and this in the color Morange. So just to add a little bit of gloss, I'm going to be using this Too Faced, and this one is in the shade Tickle Me Peach. So yeah, this is the final look. So overall, this palette, it's really nice. It does give you a beautiful glow. The only thing that I can think of is that it does have kickback. So if you do not like products that do have kickback, you might not like this palette. But if you don't mind and all you are worrying about is getting that beautiful glow for summer, definitely check this out. I will link all the information down below. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you next time. I'm losing it. Bye.